How to uninstall the Tinder app from your mobile device. So first, go ahead and open settings on your phone. Then you'll see a search bar at the top of your screen. Simply tap on it and type in apps. After you type in apps, tap on the first option. Then tap on manage apps, which is right below system app settings. Then you will again see a search bar at the top of your screen. Simply tap on it and type in Tinder. Then tap on it again, and here you'll see three options on the bottom of your screen: force stop, uninstall and clear data. Simply tap on the middle option called uninstall, and after you tap on it, your device will ask you for a confirmation. Simply tap on the OK option, and after a few moments, Tinder will be uninstalled from your device. And it is that easy. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.